Good morning from our first full day in Bacalar. We are headed to the boat dock to do our boat tour of the lagoon, and we're of course back on our trike. It's going just as well as yesterday went, but this boat tour is going to take us to the most beautiful parts of the lagoon as well as a few cenotes. This is on the north side of Bacalar. We're doing the tour with Amir Adventures, which is supposed to be a very, very good company. It was about $30 a person, and it includes drinks and water and all the good stuff.
Welcome to Amir Adventures. Welcome to Bacalar, my friends. Crocodile. The wind is it's in effect.
Those are the mangroves over there, and they're one of the lead cleaners of the lagoons. You can't touch them. So he was telling us about what the lagoon has gone through in the past couple years with the tourism and the storms, and how they've blocked off the Pirates Canal now, so no one can go back there on a boat or anything, to protect the mangroves that are back there, as well as because it's been infested with crocodiles now. Since COVID and no one was back there, the crocodiles have taken over their turf again. But it's beautiful back there. You can see the turquoise is back in the Pirates Canal area, whereas this is the green color.
Saying this cenote right here, Cenote Negro, is over 524 feet deep, which is just nuts.
Imagine the Yucatan Peninsula ground like a big Gruyere cheese, full of holes. All the holes represent different capes. With the pass of the time and the water of the rain, they start to filtering, and with the movement of the world, some of them crash it.
You can see the wall of the cenote where it just drops down the 500-foot deep area. It's basically a literal drop off. At the really blue part of the lagoon, you can see all the different shades of turquoise that are coming out. We boated down for like 15 minutes and the water just changed completely. Like it changed from the murky green color to this beautiful blue. It looks like it's glowing all along the shoreline. It's so blue. We're gonna get on in. Not get over the color of this water. I don't even know what to compare it to. It's so blue and so turquoise. It's beautiful. The reason it's so blue is because the bottom is made out of white sand, and the reason it's so green over there is because when the storms come in, it stirs up all the mud and brings in a lot of other different particles that aren't just white sand. We have actually stromatolites over here, which is like the lungs of the lagoon. That's what's helping the water stay pure and clean, and so you cannot touch those or step on them or get near them, and actually like sunscreens and things like that suffocate them and kills them.
So we're going to be burning today. It's going to be okay. I think we'll be alright. Let's bring our usual headgear today.
I have the little stop at the top for water, and I'm so used to just being able to go underwater that I sucked in like a good 2 cups of water.
Blown away by how blue this water is. It's like, it kind of throws me back to honestly like glacier water when we were in Switzerland. It gets that blue. It's like crystal blue.
tour. It was so much fun. We got to go out to the most beautiful part of the lagoon. Would recommend Amir Adventures.
Our chariot awaits all 3 wheels of it. Alrighty guys, we had an awesome time at the Amir Adventures. A great group of people. They run it just one trip a day, especially think Maui. He was a great tour guide. He told us all about the island.
So recapping on that, we were able to go over the Cenote Negro. So no one's allowed to swim there because it's super dangerous. There's currents underneath the water, and there's been quite a few crocodiles recently. And then we headed out to just the most beautiful part of the lagoon. There wasn't a name for it. There were boats docked all along the edge there, but such beautiful water. Absolutely recommend doing a boat tour. We really liked our tour group. We'll link them down below. You have to get out on the water to really experience the true Bacalar Lagoon of 7 colors. Now we're back to reality of our trike. This trike is honestly giving me some inspiration that we we could trike across the whole entire Africa, where I just sit in the back the whole time and you trike.
I like to cry.
That sounds like a good idea. You can tell that not using sunscreen today definitely got us pretty bad. Oh my goodness, we came to an Italian restaurant in the middle of the city. I'm gonna put the name right here because I don't know how to pronounce it and it's gonna be butchered. We got bruschetta and guacamole, and holy cow, the size of this guacamole is amazing for 70 pesos, which is $3.50. So I don't know if it's because I haven't eaten all day or because it really is, but this is the best guacamole that we've ever had.
Pizza has arrived and it looks amazing. This thin crust that we love, and it has arugula all over it with some shrimp in there and some mozzarella, as well as some garlic. Oh my gosh, the mozzarella is mixed with like a small bit of Alfredo. Man, that is really good pizza.
I got the most amazing looking carbonara since Italy. These bacon pieces, it's not too creamy, and the pasta is perfectly al dente. If you look up Italian food in the area, this actually doesn't come up in the top 2 or so, but all the locals are here, and it's a lot cheaper. So, and the food has been amazing. So just keep that in mind when you're reading things like TripAdvisor and Google reviews, is that doesn't always indicate who is going to be the best option, because this food is amazing and super, super cheap. All those carbs definitely have hit me like a truck. So we're definitely gonna go back and go to sleep, but tomorrow is a super exciting day. We're going to the Rapids, Los Rapidos, as well as Cenote Azul.
Yeah.
Which are two of the coolest things
to do here in Bacalar.
We're so excited.
Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see that episode or see any more of these kind of vlogs. We appreciate you guys watching, and have a good night.